What key? Let's say you want to make a change. Okay, this is the door for that change. Don't laugh at my drawing. This is the lock and this is the so-called key, consistency. Okay, now they are like consistency is the key. And you say, no, I don't have that key. And then they say again, consistency is the key. But now you don't have that key. So how are you going to go inside? How are you going to do that change? Are you going to blame yourself and call yourself lazy and say that I'm undisciplined, I can't do it, and keep trying harder and harder to just do it, to just get consistency? This is you. So now what? Now you can use science. So change basically is going from A to B, your present self to your future self. How do you do that? You need two things. You need support and skills. Let's take one of the most common examples of change, walking. Most of us have done it. So this is you and this is your parent and they are holding your hand, your little hand, and helping you walk. And this was your entire support system, or more than this or less than this depending on your luck. And these are the skills you use to learn to walk. You must have heard of motor skills, but these are the other behavior change skills. Using all these skills and support, you walked one time. That was initiation. And what was everyone doing? They were celebrating you. They were clapping, they were crying, they were recording you, they were celebrating your first walk. Nobody was like these people in this picture. Nobody was telling you, hey, just be disciplined, just be consistent. You need to walk 3 times a week and not just once. This doesn't count. You have to be consistent, baby. Nobody was doing that to you. They were celebrating, and that's how you felt happy. And you wanted to do it again. What is that? That is frequency. You did it again and again, frequency. Then you started walking. You started doing it naturally in the morning, evening, whenever. And that's how you develop consistency. You became a consistent walker, if that's what we can call it. There was no drama, no discipline, just skills and support. Simple. If you look at any other behavior that you have changed in your life, look at it. What skills and support did you add? There was not just be disciplined or just try harder or just be consistent. Consistency was never the key. When you started drinking your first cup of coffee or tea or breakfast, when you started going to work, when you started going to school, whatever you did, you added support and skills. You were not telling yourself just be consistent, just be disciplined. You were doing it with skills and support. That's it. Change is equal to support and skills, always.